Golden Age haulers, 10 pickups from the 1990s skyrocketing in value. The hidden fortune in your driveway. Imagine a world where the old workhorse in your driveway is worth more than a brand new luxury sedan. We aren't talking about rare Ferraris. We're talking about 1990s pickups that have doubled or even tripled in market value. These weren't just utility vehicles. They were masterpieces of American engineering that modern trucks simply cannot replicate. One of them could actually outrun a Ferrari in a drag race. If you have one of these parked out back, you might be sitting on a literal gold mine. The market for these classic haulers is absolutely detonating right now. 10. Chevrolet S10 and GMC Sonoma, 1990s. Starting our list at number 10 is a duo that defined the fun, rebellious side of 90s truck culture, the Chevrolet S10 and GMC Sonoma. We are focusing specifically on personality-driven trims, like the Baja and the Extreme. These compact pickups were all about flair. The S10 Baja channeled desert racing vibes with its lifted suspension and loud graphics, while the Extreme went the street truck route with a slammed stance and aggressive body kits. They are valuable today because they represent the last era where manufacturers took risks on character trucks rather than just towing specs. Finding a clean, unmodified S10 is nearly impossible now, which is why a truck that cost $4,000 5 years ago now commands $10,000 to $15,000. Museum-grade survivors have even touched $18,000. If you own a clean one, you own a piece of 90s nostalgia that is only going up. 9. Nissan Hardbody, 1986 to 1997. Number 9 is the sleeper hit, the Nissan Hardbody D21. While the world was busy overpaying for old Toyotas, the Hardbody was building a legacy as an indestructible tool. Named for its double-walled bed and aggressive styling, these trucks are famous for hitting 300,000 miles without a whimper. Because most were worked until they fell apart, clean survivors are incredibly rare. 5 years ago, these were $3,000 beaters. Today, pristine examples are fetching $10,000 to $18,000, with some collectors paying over $20,000 for time capsules. Collectors are finally waking up to Nissan's legendary reliability. 8. Dodge Dakota, 1991 to 1996. At number 8 is the truck that brought heavy muscle to the midsize segment. The first-gen Dodge Dakota was a pioneer, especially when equipped with the 5.2-liter Magnum V8. It was the perfect Goldilocks truck, bigger than a Ford Ranger but more manageable than a Ram. The crown jewel here is the Shelby Dakota. With Carroll Shelby's magic touch, these limited-run performance trucks now trade for $25,000 to $45,000. Even a standard, well-kept V8 Dakota has jumped from being a $5,000 used car to a $15,000 collectible. The trend is clear: size and power in a midsize package is a winning financial formula. 7. Toyota Hilux, 1997 to 2004. Number 7 is a global icon of resilience. This specific generation of Hilux is famous for being the truck Top Gear couldn't kill, even after putting it on a collapsing building. It refined Toyota's bulletproof reputation with better cabin comfort and refined 4x4 systems. While not officially sold in the US during these years, its global demand is astronomical. In regions like Australia and the Middle East, these trucks are selling for 2 to 3 times their original MSRP. The 3.0-liter turbo diesel models are the most coveted, often selling for $15,000 to $28,000. It is a worldwide symbol of reliability, and that reputation is pure currency. 6. Chevrolet C/KG MT 400, 1988 to 1998. Moving to number 6, we have the GMT 400 platform. These trucks define the look of 90s Americana with their clean, square-jawed lines. They are beloved today because they are the perfect analog trucks, simple enough to fix in a driveway but modern enough to drive daily. The heart of these trucks was often the 350 small block V8, an engine with infinite aftermarket support. Currently, clean GMT 400s are moving for $20,000 to $30,000, while high-end restorations can easily clear $60,000. It's a rock-solid investment that combines classic looks with modern usability. 5. Chevrolet C/K 1500 and Silverado, 1990s. At number 5, we look at the high-trim Silverado models of the late 90s. These featured the Vortec V8, which offered a significant jump in power and efficiency. What makes these specific trucks so valuable to collectors is the galvanized steel used in later years, which fought off the dreaded truck rust. A clean Z71 off-road package truck is the current holy grail for many, fetching between $15,000 and $25,000. They represent the peak of the golden age before trucks became overly complicated with computers and sensors. 4. Dodge Ram 1500, 1994 to 2001. Number 4 is the big rig that changed everything. The 1994 Dodge Ram's bold styling made every Ford and Chevy look ancient overnight. While the gas V8s are popular, the real value lies in the Cummins turbo diesel. The 12-valve Cummins, available until mid-1998, is a mechanical masterpiece, often called a 500,000-mile engine. Because they lack modern emissions equipment, they are simpler and more durable. While a gas Ram might bring $15,000, a clean 12-valve diesel can easily command $25,000 to $40,000. 3. Ford F-150, 1992 to 1996. Entering the top 3 is the OBS, old body style, Ford F-150. This was the final F-Series to feature the classic flat panel design and the legendary 300 cubic inch inline-six engine. It's a truck that feels like it was built to last several lifetimes. The standout is the SVT Lightning, Ford's original sport truck. These are now true blue-chip collectibles, selling for $30,000 to $50,000. However, even a standard F-150 in good shape is now a $20,000 vehicle. The nostalgia for this specific Ford silhouette is driving prices into the stratosphere. 2. GMC Syclone, 1991. Our runner-up is the 1991 GMC Syclone. This isn't just a truck, it's a supercar killer. With a turbocharged V6 and all-wheel drive, it hit 0 to 60 in 4.3 seconds, making it faster than a contemporary Ferrari 348. GMC only built 2,995 units, making them incredibly rare. Prices have shifted from affordable toy to serious investment. You'll need $45,000 to $70,000 for a decent one, while perfect examples are now eclipsing the $100,000 mark. It proved that pickups could be elite performance machines. 1. Ford F-250 and F-350, 1994 to 1997. Finally, at number 1 is the king of the diesel world, the OBS Ford Super Duty with a 7.3-liter power stroke. This is widely considered the most reliable diesel engine ever put in a consumer pickup. It is a million-mile motor that predates complex modern electronics. The market for these is essentially broken. Trucks that sold for $30,000 new are now selling for $40,000 to $60,000 30 years later. They are worth more than their original sticker price even after inflation. If you have a clean 7.3-liter power stroke, the best financial advice is simple: never sell it. These 1090s legends have transitioned from used work trucks to valuable assets. Do you have one of these icons in your garage? How many miles have you put on it? Let us know your stories in the comments below. If you enjoyed this trip down memory lane, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.